Today I will cover the Haryang densities related Indian history in the year of 544 BC to 412 BC. Bimbisar in the bracket Sronika in the year of 544 BC to 492 BC. He was the founder of Haryang densities. He was the contemporary of Gautam Buddha. Ajasatru in the bracket Kunika in the year of 492 BC to 460 BC. Bimbisar were succeeded by his son Ajasatru. Ajasatru killed his father and seized the throne. He built the fort of Rajgriha and a watch fort Jaldurg at a village called Patali on the banks of Ganga. Udyan in the year of 460 BC to 440 BC. His design is important because he laid the foundation of the city of Patliputra at the confluence of the Sun and the Gangas and shifted the capital from Rajgir to Patliputra. Shishunag densities in the year of 412 BC to 344 BC. Shishunag was succeeded by Kalasok. His design is important because he convened the second Buddhist council in the Vaishali in the year of 383 BC. Nanda densities in the year of 344 BC to 323 BC. The Shishunag densities was overthrown Mahapadma, who established a new line of king known as a Nanda. The last king Dhananand is possibly identical with the Agrims or Zentrums of the Greek text. The Nanda densities came to end about 320 BC to 321 BC and was supplanted by another densities known as a Maurya, with Chandragupta Maurya as a founder. Foreign invasions. Number 1. Iranian. The Indo-Iranian contact lasted for about 200 years. Number 2. Macedonia. Invasions. Alexander invasions in the year of 326 BC. In the 4th century BC, the Greeks and the Iranians fought for the supremacy of the world under the leadership of Alexander of Macedonia. The Greek finally destroyed the Iranian Empire. Alexander succeeded his father Philip to the throne of Macedonia. He was then only 20 years age. From his very childhood, he used to dream of world conquest. He quickly conquered many areas. As a preliminary step to conquer India, the Kabul Valley and the hilly areas of the northwest frontier were conquered, and he reached Ohind near attack in 326 BC. The ruler of Takshila and Abhishara submitted, but Porus refused to do so. Alexander then crossed the Jhelum by a trick. Porus was defeated in the battle of that followed, but Alexander treated him very generally for his bravery. In a bracket, Battle of Bethesda, that is modern Jhelum, Greek Hydaspes, in the year 326 BC. After a brilliant victory at Shakla, the Greek forces reached the beach. Alexander had to return from this place as his soldiers refused to go any further. The Battle of Jhelum and Shakla had opened their eyes, and they were afraid of the great Magd Empire across the Veas. Religious movement in the year 600 BC to 400 BC. Buddhism life. Buddha life. Gautam Buddha, founder of Buddhism, was born in 563 BC on the Vishakha Vaishakha Purnima, day of Lumbini in Kapilvastu, now situated in the foothill of Nepal, in the Shakya Kshatriya clan. Great events of Buddha lives and their symbols. Janma symbols lotus and bull. Mahavinaskarma symbols horse. Nirva symbols bodhi tree. Dharma Chakra Parivartan symbols will. Mahaparivar Mahaparinirman symbols stupa. Doctrines of Buddhism. Chatwari Arya Satyani, four noble truths. Tritna, that is three jewel of Buddhism. Buddhas the enlightened, Dharma, Sangha. Sects of Buddhism. Hinyan, in bracket, that is the laser vehicle. Its followers believe in the original reaching of Buddha. Number second, they sought individual salvations through self-discipline and meditations. Number 3, they did not believe in idol worship. Number 4, they favored Pali language. Number 5, it is known as a Southern Buddhist religions because it prevailed in the south of India, that is Sri Lanka, Burma, Myanmar, Siam, Thailand, Java, etc. Number 6, there were two suspects of Hinyan, Vaibhashika and Sautrantika. Mahayana, that is the greater vehicle. Number 1, its followers believed in the heavy lines of Buddha. Number 2, they sought the salvations of all through the grace and help of Buddha and Buddhist. Number 3, they believe in as Northern Buddhist religions because it prevailed in the north of India, that is China, Korea, Japan, etc. Number 6, there were two suspects of Mahayana, Madhyamika Susunanda, founder of Nagarjuna, and Yogicha. Vajrayana. Number 1, its followers believed that salvations could be best attained by acquiring the magical power which they called Vajra. Number 2, the chief divinities of these new sects were the Taras. Number 3, it's become popular in eastern India, particularly Bengal and Bihar. Buddhist architecture developed in three forms. Number 1, stupa, relics of the Buddha or some prominent Buddhist monks are preserved. Number 2, chaitya, prayer hall. Number 3, vihara, residence. The some name of Buddhist universities and its place and its founders. The number 1 Buddhist university is Nalanda, its place Badagaon, Bihar, its founder Kumar Gupta, Pratham, in a bracket Gupta rural. Number 2, Odantpuri, place Bihar Sharif, Bihar, founder Gopal, in a bracket Pal rural. Number 3, Buddhist universities Bikramshila, its place Bhagalpur, Bihar, founder Dharmpal, in the bracket Pal ruler. Number fourth, Somapuri, in its place North Bengal, its founder Dharmpal. Next, Bikramshila, its place Bhagalpur, Bihar, its founder Dharmpal, Pal ruler. Next, Jagadal, place Bengal, founder Rampal, in a bracket Pal ruler.